Welcome to a journey that could change the way you think about protein forever. Did you know that a staggering 80% of people don't get enough protein in their diet? That's right. Despite protein's popularity, most of us are missing out on its incredible benefits. And when it comes to weight loss, there's one protein that stands out from the rest: whey protein. But whey protein is more than just a simple supplement. It's a versatile ally in the quest for a healthier, leaner body. In this guide, we're not just talking about protein shakes. We're exploring how to integrate whey protein into your life in a way that's balanced, effective, and yes, delicious. From the secrets of selecting the right type of whey to mastering the art of hydration, we're covering it all. And here's a teaser for you. Did you know that not all whey proteins are created equal? Or that your body's hydration levels can significantly impact your weight loss efforts? Surprised? There's plenty more where that came from. So buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of whey protein. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or simply improve your overall health, we've got the insights, tips, and strategies you need. Let's embark on this whey-filled journey together and unlock the secrets to a healthier you. Chapter 1. The role of whey protein in a balanced diet. First things first, whey protein is a supplement. This means it's something you add to your diet, not something that replaces real food. Think of it as a sidekick to your fruits, veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats. These are your main heroes, providing a wide range of nutrients your body loves. Here's a fun fact. Your body needs protein to repair cells and make new ones. And for those of us who don't have time to cook a chicken breast or grill a steak every time we're hungry, whey protein is a quick and easy way to get that much needed protein. But remember, balance is key. You can't live off whey protein shakes alone. Your body craves variety. Each food group brings something special to the table: vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and more. So while whey protein is great, it works best when it's part of a colorful, varied diet. Did you know that according to a study in the Journal of Applied Physiology, whey protein can help improve muscle protein synthesis? That's a fancy way of saying it helps your muscles grow stronger, especially after exercise. But the catch is, it works best when combined with other nutrients found in whole foods. So, how much whey protein should you add? It's not one size fits all, but a good rule of thumb is to aim for about 25 grams of whey protein per serving. This is enough to support muscle repair without overdoing it. Chapter 2. Whey protein as a meal replacement or snack. Now let's talk about using whey protein as a meal replacement or snack. It's like having a secret weapon in your health arsenal. Busy day? No time to cook? A whey protein shake can save the day. It's quick, it's easy, and it can be super nutritious. But here's the trick. Don't just mix your whey protein with water and call it a meal. To make it truly meal-worthy, add some fiber and healthy fats. Think spinach, avocado, or a spoonful of peanut butter. These additions help keep you feeling full longer, so you're not tempted to snack on less healthy options. Replacing a meal with a protein shake can also help with weight loss. It's all about calories in versus calories out. A protein shake can provide essential nutrients while keeping the calorie count low. Plus, protein is known for its ability to increase satiety, that feeling of fullness after eating. This means you're likely to eat less throughout the day. Interestingly, a study published in Nutrition Journal found that participants who used meal replacements, including protein shakes, were more successful in maintaining weight loss over a year than those who didn't. It's a strategy that really can work, as long as you're smart about it. But, and this is a big but, it's important not to rely solely on shakes. Whole foods come with a plethora of benefits that powders just can't match. Fiber, phytonutrients, and the simple joy of eating something you've prepared with your own hands. These are things a shake can't give you. Chapter 3. Post-workout recovery with whey protein. So you've just finished a workout and you're feeling great but also a bit worn out. That's where whey protein comes into play, stepping in like a best friend ready to help you recover. After exercising, your muscles are like sponges. They're ready to absorb nutrients that help them repair and grow. And whey protein? It's one of the best nutrients for the job. Here's an interesting point. Consuming whey protein after a workout can significantly enhance muscle recovery. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, whey protein is absorbed quickly by the body, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. This quick absorption helps start the repair process sooner, which is exactly what you want after pushing your muscles to their limits. But why whey protein? Well, it contains all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair. Not all protein sources can boast that. Plus, it's rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in muscle building. Leucine acts like a switch that turns on the muscle protein synthesis process. Imagine that. Just by drinking a whey protein shake, you're literally flicking the switch to start muscle recovery. Remember, more muscle doesn't just mean more strength. It also means a higher metabolism. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even when you're at rest. So, by increasing your muscle mass, you're not just getting stronger, you're turning your body into a more efficient calorie-burning machine. And there's more good news. Studies have shown that regular consumption of whey protein, especially after workouts, can contribute to more effective long-term weight management. It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. You're building muscle and helping manage your weight. Chapter 4. Mindful Consumption and Portion Control. Now let's switch gears and talk about the importance of being mindful with whey protein. Yes, it's packed with benefits, but like anything, too much of a good thing can backfire. It's all about portion control and understanding how much protein your body actually needs. First off, your daily protein requirement depends on several factors, including your age, gender, activity level, and fitness goals. A common recommendation is 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight for the average adult. But if you're active or aiming to build muscle, you might need more. Here's where some folks get tripped up. They start adding multiple scoops of whey protein to their diet without considering the protein they're already getting from food. It's easy to go overboard, but remember, excess calories from protein can still be stored as fat, just like calories from carbs are fat. So, how do you avoid this? Measure your scoops and keep track of your overall protein intake. 1 scoop of whey protein typically contains about 25 grams of protein, which is a good amount for most people post-workout. But it's not just about the protein. Some whey protein products can have added sugars and calories, which can add up if you're not careful. Always read the label and choose a product that fits your health goals. If weight loss is your aim, opt for a whey protein that's low in sugars and calories. Here's a piece of advice from a nutrition expert. Think of whey protein as part of your overall diet, not as a standalone solution. It's a tool, a very effective one when used correctly. But the foundation of your diet should always be whole, nutrient-dense foods. Chapter 5. Choosing the right type of whey protein. Picking the right type of whey protein can feel a bit like being in a candy store. So many options, but which one is the best for you? Let's simplify it. Mainly, there are 3 types of whey protein: concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Each has its benefits, but depending on your goals, one might suit you better than the others. Whey concentrate is like the all-rounder of the group. It's processed the least, which means it keeps more of the beneficial nutrients. However, it's also higher in fat and carbs. If you're not too concerned about extra calories and you're looking for a more natural option, concentrate might be your pick. Moving on to whey isolate. This one's like the middle child, offering a great balance. It's processed more than concentrate, which strips away most of the fat and carbs, leaving you with pure protein. This makes it a fantastic choice for those focused on weight loss or who are lactose intolerant, as it contains less lactose. Then there's whey hydrolysate, the most processed option. It's pre-digested, which sounds a bit weird, but it just means your body can absorb it super fast. This makes it perfect for post-workout recovery. However, it can be more expensive due to the extra processing it undergoes. Here's a fun fact. Studies have shown that whey protein, especially isolate and hydrolysate, can help reduce hunger more effectively than other types of protein. This is a bonus if you're trying to lose weight, as it can help you eat less throughout the day. But remember, the best type of whey protein for you depends on your personal health goals, dietary preferences, and budget. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Each type has its place, and what works for one person might not work for another. Chapter 6. The importance of hydration. Last but not least, let's dive into the importance of staying hydrated, especially when you're consuming whey protein. You might not think these two are connected, but they are. Whey protein shakes can be quite filling, which is great, but they shouldn't replace your water intake. Water is essential for every single function in your body, including digesting and absorbing protein. So, if you're upping your protein intake, you need to up your water intake too. Think of it as helping everything flow smoothly inside you. Sometimes people mistake thirst for hunger. If you're feeling hungry soon after having a protein shake, try drinking a glass of water. You might just be thirsty. Staying well hydrated also helps with weight loss. It can boost your metabolism and help you feel fuller, which means you might snack less. An interesting fact to note is that about 20 to 30% of your daily water intake comes from food, but when you replace a meal with a shake, you're missing out on that hydration. That's why it's even more important to drink water throughout the day. Here's a simple tip: carry a water bottle with you. It's a visual reminder to drink up, and it makes it easier to stay hydrated throughout the day. Plus, there are so many fun water bottles out there now. It can be a fashion statement too.